Hey everyone, after 5 years of using online platforms, I've tested Skool and SYSTEME.io to help you pick the best one for your needs. Let's break it down and compare them. First, Skool. It's all about building communities. You can create groups where people chat, post videos, polls, or join discussions. It's like a private social network for your courses or coaching. Skool has a simple $99 monthly plan with a 14 days free trial. It's great for keeping students engaged with leaderboards and real-time chats. Now SYSTEME.io. This is an all-in-one tool for online businesses. You can build sales funnels, create courses, send emails, and even run affiliate programs. It has a free plan plus paid plans from $27 to $97 a month. It's super easy to use with drag and drop features and automates a lot, like email campaigns. So how do they compare? Skool shines for community vibes. If you want a space for students to connect and interact, it's your go-to. SYSTEME.io is better for entrepreneurs who need marketing tools like funnels and emails alongside courses. It's more flexible with pricing, especially the free plan, which is better. If you're focused on engagement and community, pick Skool. If you want a full business toolkit with courses, sales, and automation, SYSTEME.io wins. Choose based on your goal. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions below, and I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos.